So this is a new wireless mouse and keyboard combo sort of set that I got recently, and the reason why I had to get this was because the keyboard for my laptop broke. So yeah, I just wanted something that was small enough so that I could basically just use it. A couple of keys have just stopped responding, and I wanted something that was a bit smaller as well, so that's why I got this one. And it's got this sort of chiclet style keys, so it doesn't make much noise when you type on them. So if you, for example, if you just press a bunch of keys here, you know, really kind of really quiet. So if you're working at night, you're not going to disturb anyone. And yeah, this is the mouse that it comes with. It does come with the 2.4 gigahertz little dongle that you just attach to the side of the computer like that. Okay, there's not one for both devices, and wish they had actually included a spare one, because I tend to, yeah, if I'm not careful, I tend to lose things like that. But yeah, there also comes with two AAA batteries, so you just have to install them in here. Had a look at the battery life sort of specifications, and it can last between 1 and 2 years. So I think that's pretty decent. I do use rechargeable AAA cells as well. I do like that the size of it, it's actually quite thin. So what I'm going to do is disable the keyboard on my laptop, put the actual keyboard on top, and yeah, basically just use it that way until I can find another laptop to use. But I quite like this one, so I just didn't want to, yeah, didn't want to let it go to waste, because actually all the internal components are fine. So yeah, I just wanted to show you, you know, little rundown of it. Seems like a decent product. There were a bunch of Logitech keyboard and mouse combos, but looking at the reviews, they were sort of mixed reviews, so that's why I ended up picking this one. The keys are also, I just like how they're really quiet when you press them. But yeah, that's pretty much about it.